Now, let's jump into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our business, in our life, that helps save us time, save us money, or help us have more fun. Shannon, I'll let you kick it off.
So the Whissel widget of the week that I wanted to talk about is it's called Interface. It's the Interface app. The website is interface.re.
Okay.
And what it is it's basically a back-end like software connector is what I would call it. So like we have kind of like three main things throughout the transaction. There's like our CRM, which we use for all of our client communication that our agents really heavily use, right?
Shout out to Follow Up Boss.
Yep. Love you, Fub. The next one is our transaction management system, which is what's used by my team for listing and transaction management. We use OTC, Open to Close. Also love them so much. And then the other one that we use really heavily is CSU, which is like data analytics, conversion ratios, all that stuff, right? And so what we have or what we implemented a couple years back is interface.re, which basically takes all of those big systems that we use and makes them all connected and makes it all so that they talk to each other. So when something happens in FUB, when a deal goes pending and is submitted from FUB, it goes over automatically to our transaction team and it gets marked as pending in our numbers analytics. So you can, the agents can see their numbers and see their conversion ratios, see where maybe they need to work on, improving their skills, things like that. But not only that, it saves so much data entry. Like we used to have to do double, triple, quadruple data entry, entering things into multiple systems. It's a nightmare. Right now, it happens in one system and it gets updated in all the rest of them and vice versa, right? So something happens in CSU, it gets updated in Open to Close and in our CRM and FUB.
Yeah, I was so sick of this phrase that Chris, our COO, would use all the time. He'd go, oh, well, for leads management, FUB is our source of truth. He would say source of truth. CSU is the source of truth. And I go, well, what do you mean? That they all say the same thing? No. Everything doesn't talk to each other the right way.
Yeah.
And it was a nightmare to say, oh, how many new leads do we have? I can pull the number, Shannon can pull the number, Aaron can pull the number, and they were all different.
3 different numbers.
And I go, that doesn't make any sense. He goes, well, and I'm like, okay. So what's great about Interface is the connection between the main systems, the backwards compatibility. It's like Zapier on steroids for our systems that integrates with it's so good. We are heavy users of Zapier. I think we do 50,000 plus zaps a month.
Yep.
Zap runs. So we're very well versed in that. We tried to do this for years on our own, failed miserably. Here comes Daniel with the solution. We worked with him very closely to build a system that worked for us, and now he's utilizing it for other people as well. We love Interface.
Yes, it's awesome. It's been a game changer, a complete game changer for our business.
We would have to have 4 more people to do what this does, and we would have so many more errors because there's human errors no matter what. So wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah.
My Whissel widget of the week is not something you have to download, not something you have to buy. It's something that you already use if you have a smartphone. And it's utilizing the different albums within your phone. And you're like, Bryan, I know about that. That's easy. Duh. Like, right. An iPhone's really good about, an Android too, I'm sure. Like you can type in places or stuff and it can find it for you automatically. What I love about utilizing certain albums in my phone is I like to group things in different things that I want to post on social later. So for example, I have an album in my phone called Food. I went through all my photos of food, and not when I cooked, but it was when I went out and bought food, or when we did our videos for Everything East County. So then when it's time for me to post a new thing on social, I just go into my food album and I post it. How you can utilize that is if maybe you're not doing that, but maybe you're doing neighborhood spotlights or cities, and you want to be like, oh, I'm in Santee and you took a couple pictures. You can put that in your Santee album or your Showing Homes album. So that way when you're sitting there and you go, I need to post something on social, or I need to show this, it's very easily organized and you can post it that way. So utilizing your albums on your phone is something that I absolutely love to do.
I thought I was the organized one. That's like a new level of organization. I don't do that with my pictures.
I just have it for food. Well, and honestly, I would do it if I did it for when I wanted to do posts on social, especially on Instagram.
Okay.
If you want to do posts, several images in a row, but it's over years of things. So I did it when my cat died. I found a bunch of photos of Benji and I put them all in one album
Yeah,
so I can
okay.
easily post. I also did it when my dad died. So when people die, that's when I have a new album. And then I go see it and it makes me sad. So that is my widget of the week. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Real Estate Success, the Whissel Way podcast. We will see you on the next one.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.